The wonderful ways wood-like materials can transform your home interiors. Though real wood is the ultimate choice for flooring and other home design projects, wood-like materials have become increasingly popular due to their high quality, durability, aesthetic value, and affordability. These materials are made from synthetic or engineered constituents, which are designed to mimic the natural grain and texture of real wood. We've all heard of laminates, vinyl plank flooring, and fiber cement siding, and how these options can transform our home interiors. But, do you know how and why these wood-like materials are making a mark in the world of interior design? Keep reading to find out. Wood-like materials are versatile. One of the main reasons why wood-like materials are popular is due to their versatility. These materials can be used for flooring, ceilings, walls, and countertops, just to mention a few. Additionally, the wide range of colors and textures available in the market makes it easy for homeowners to choose a wood-like material that complements their existing decor. Whether you want a rustic look, a sophisticated vibe, or even a contemporary feel, wood-like materials can deliver by providing numerous options from which to choose. Wood-like materials are durable. Real wood requires intensive maintenance and can easily be damaged by water, moisture, and heavy foot traffic. Wood-like materials, however, are resistant to scratches, dents, and stains, making them a practical choice for high-traffic areas in your home. Moreover, they do not absorb moisture, making them suitable for use in damp areas such as bathrooms and kitchens. Finally, many wood-like materials have UV-resistant finishes, which are designed to protect them from fading or discoloration due to prolonged exposure to sunlight. Wood-like materials are cost-effective. Real wood can be expensive, depending on the species, cut, and size that you choose. Wood-like materials, on the other hand, are affordable, making them a practical alternative for anybody working with a tight budget. Moreover, because these materials are so durable, you won't need to replace them anytime soon, if at all, which will save you money in the long run. The installation is also a lot faster and often less costly compared to natural wood. Wood-like materials are eco-friendly. Eco-conscious buyers are becoming increasingly aware of the environmental impact of their home improvement projects. Many wood-like materials are made of sustainable materials and are more environmentally friendly than wood. For instance, some wood-like materials are made of recycled materials, such as sawdust and wood chips, and are environmentally sustainable. These materials will help reduce the environmental impact of your home renovation and improve indoor air quality. Wood-like materials satisfy style tastes. Finally, wood-like materials allow homeowners to personalize their homes according to their style tastes. By choosing a particular wood-like material, you can align with your taste and fashion preferences, and create a unique and customized space that reflects your worldview. In conclusion, there's no doubt that wood-like materials have revolutionized the interior design industry, and for good reason. They are versatile, durable, cost-effective, and eco-friendly, and they allow homeowners to personalize their spaces. When choosing a wood-like material for your home, you should consider the material's durability, maintenance requirements, design options, functionality, environmental impact, and price. By doing so, you'll choose a material that satisfies your style tastes, adds value to your home, and offers an elegant look that will last for years to come. Thanks for watching.